Computer general knowledge quiz. What is the default chart type in Microsoft Excel? Correct answer, column chart. Which computer virus records every movement you make on the computer? Correct answer, C. Keylogger. Mail merge is a component of which of the following? Correct answer, A. Microsoft Word. Which keys are used to switch between programs in Windows? Correct answer, B. Alt plus Tab. What is the mascot of the Linux operating system? Correct answer, B. Penguin. Laser printer resolution is specified in terms of? Correct answer, A. DPI. A nibble is equal to bits. Correct answer, A. 4. The instruction about booting your system is stored in? Correct answer, C. BIOS. What is called the syntax analysis part in the machine language transformation of a high-level language? Correct answer, C. Parsing. Which symbol is used to separate the username of an email address from that of an ISP? Correct answer, A. @. Thank you for watching.